evening. I just wanted to see the new content of Overwatch. So I'm gonna try to play some of the new heroes. And it's probably gonna be chaotic, but that's why we're here, right?
She's fun, or he.
1 minute later.
I think, you know what? I think this update is what's gonna bring Carlos back because of the cat. I'm saying it right now. Cat's gone up to get his breakfast before I head to class. Are you still studying? That's an impressive. It is the, like I said, it's huge. Everything looks different. The complaint, I don't know. It's weird. Like I feel like I'm playing healing Genji right now. Oh, it's kind of like Loki from Marvels with him that you can like go to your thing, like teleport back to your Ankh or whatever you want to call it.
They say he's like Adam.
I think I'm pretty dead.
From pushing the barricade.
You started last week. How old are you? I thought you were like, I don't know, 40. Are you guys all babies?
We're fighting a hog.
What the hell is this?
A flying pig.
Daffy, I'm healing you, okay? My little pussy cat.
I'm forced to go.
Oh,
I'm forced to go. Sorry, I hear.
you're 30. No, you're not such a baby then. Okay, fine. You just started late, which is completely fine. Ooh, ow. Is Arnie in the game? That was clearly Arnie.
Activating self-destruct sequence.
Beautiful.
I've got the robot. Let's go. Barricade's making progress.
Oh, it's like, okay, he's throwing a disc and then just heals everyone in like a chain. I'll see. Got it. Chain heal.
Do something.
What? I'm fucked. Maybe. I'm just gonna heal our Valky poo here. That was not nice. That was not nice. He just grabbed me. What are you stuttering now? Stop stuttering. Studying. Law. Oh, law. What? I do not like this.
Stop them from pushing the barricade.
See, I don't think I like this healer. We don't have another new healer, right? No. Just a meow meow meow.
Self-destruct sequence.
Yeah, Jeppy. Fuck them up! Come here, come here, come here, come here!
This fucking cat.
Stop them.
Scorch the sky.
Kill the fucking cat.
I'm out of there.
Yes. Oh, we forgot our friend. Hello.
Hello.
Hello! Hello!
Activating self-destruct sequence.
No.
Ash is burning.
Captain, I was so sad hearing the kitty cat died. 2 minutes remaining.
You bitch. The kitty cat is overpowered.
Ready for duty.
Jerry, give me a lift.
Show them what we've got.
No! Yeah! Let's fucking go, Jeppy! I'm trapped!
Holy.
I'm trapped!
We need to hold.
That dude is not healing much. Like, the only way I can heal is my right mouse click, right?
You
Krista?
have your passive, the circle. Like a Lucy.
Yeah, that
The yellow
I
circle.
know. But other than that, nothing, right? So it's like basically a Lucio circle that I have and right mouse button.
Yep.
I don't think he's healing much.
Asher's behind the wall.
I hope you enjoyed the gameplay. If you'd like to watch my games live, I'm live 4 days a week on twitch.tv/JackieFlanders. Please drop a follow so you can watch me play live. Thank you.